नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Once again, age need to be remembered. 40 years over. Entering into 41 with the grace of Mahasadashiva. First Avatara Dina Mahotsava. First thing, before delivering my today's message, not just by words, with all my being, I wanted to offer my love, respects, acknowledgement, gratitude for all the devotees, disciples, who may be here and some may not be here, directly, indirectly, part of the Sangha. I just wanted to tell you all, love you guys. Here on the planet Earth, just for you guys. My message on this 41st Avatara Dina, completing 40 years and entering 41st year, giving superconscious breakthrough to humanity, not just as words but as experience. Understand, superconscious breakthrough to humanity is my message. Quite a long time we human beings have spent without having the next breakthrough. Please understand, if we have spent million years as monkeys to have a breakthrough to as a human being, almost 10 times more we are spending as human beings without having next breakthrough. That can be no way justified. Humanity is screwed up. Sorry for the strong word. I am very clearly uttering. The word is little strong. But humanity need to wake up. Humanity need to know the truth, understand. At least 10 times more time we are stuck without having a breakthrough. Last breakthrough, if it took million years for us, now at least, I am saying minimum 10 times more time has passed without having a breakthrough. Understand? All the systems we created should have supported the conscious breakthrough. Unfortunately, they all have become silly conversations. And instead of supporting superconscious breakthrough, some of them have become even hindrances. It is time we move beyond all these silly conversations. We move beyond all these silly conversations. Understand, we have wasted too much time. Wars for land and wars for mind and wars for man-made wealth idea. What is wars? Silly conversation between two empowered politicians is war. Understand, silly conversation between politicians who are empowered becomes war. The very fundamental idea, all structures should have supported us to have next breakthrough. Without any structure, we had a breakthrough within million years, from monkey to man. And what the hell have we created? 10 times more time has been spent on no superconscious breakthrough, no next breakthrough. Human beings are stuck and humanity is screwed up once more. Understand, earlier I was a little polite in my words because I did not have alternative solution. Now I have. That is why I am strong. Really, I am telling you, planet Earth is enough comfortably for 10 billion human beings. Scarcity is artificially generated idea. Understand, whether the idea called countries, borders, when an individual decides to possess in a blind way without owning, understand, owning is different, possessing is different. When you decide to possess, exclusion starts, fight starts. In an individual level, it is called fight. In a social level, it is called violence. If it is little larger, terrorism. If it is much larger, legitimate wars between countries. But fundamentally boiling down to powerlessness and blind-spotted ideas. Understand, all these structures called country, money, transactions, all these should have fundamentally supported the superconscious breakthrough. Theologies, ideologies, religions, philosophies, all these should have supported the superconscious breakthrough, should have made the superconscious breakthrough. We are stuck. 10 times more time we have already spent as a human beings. What is going on? It is time all intelligent, independent thinkers, seekers decide to give superconscious breakthrough to humanity. These man-made ideas, money, man-made ideas of land, man-made ideas of possession, man-made ideas of theologies, man-made ideas of philosophies, all religious wars are silly conversations for mind. All political wars are silly conversations for the land. Yes, multiple groups, multiple people, multiple ideologies, multiple color flags went up, came down. We are same fools. Why don't we understand? The whole concept of pharmaceutical industries have become like IT companies. Create viruses, then find solution. To sell solution generating viruses. Where are we heading? And now unfortunately the pharmaceutical industries and food industries are joining hands, collaborating. You create disease, I'll create medicine. Where are we heading? It is time all individual seekers, thinkers, let's have and give superconscious breakthrough to humanity. All violence, all terrorism, whether land-based or mind-based, all killing, all concept of possession, all ideologies, all theologies, all philosophies, instead of giving a superconscious breakthrough, they become disturbance, impediment for the superconscious breakthrough. It is time. Yes, those structures like a country, law and order, and currency for transaction, all these things are good. They can maintain certain stability. That does not mean they can replace conscious breakthrough. Understand, structures can give certain stability for us to live. That itself is not ultimate. Ultimate is superconscious breakthrough. Human beings need to move to the next level. The time we spent from amoeba to fish, fish to monkey, monkey to man, as a man we are spending 10 times more time without having a next breakthrough, which is not right. Which is not right. I'm giving you a rough idea. If we have spent million years for amoeba to fish, and million years for fish to monkey, million years for monkey to man, now more than 10 million years we are stuck as human beings. Something is seriously wrong. It is time we have superconscious breakthrough. And one more danger is we have done so much of suicidal acts. If we don't give superconscious breakthrough now, we may not even exist, which is too costly. No, we can't afford that. Humanity needs superconscious breakthrough. It will have superconscious breakthrough. We will live. We will survive. We will flourish. We will have superconscious breakthrough. What is superconscious breakthrough? The consciousness which embodies this body and mind need to start operating in the next level of frequency. So, new kind of body, new kind of mind, new kind of internal organs and intra-organs are getting built. The new being manifests. I think we are ready. We are ready with a solution. Because we have a solution, my voice is loud, new and clear. My voice is loud and clear. My message is new and clear. I don't want to give too many words. The original message sometimes gets lost in too many words. I just want all of you to internalize these few words. So, essence, let us all have superconscious breakthrough and give superconscious breakthrough to humanity. This whole science of superconscious breakthrough through the Vedagamic ancient sacred secrets revealed by Mahasadashiva himself to the universe, manifesting the state, space and powers of Mahasadashiva. It's a direct way to give superconscious breakthrough to yourself and to the humanity. That's all is the message. Let's start doing it. In every possible way, let's reach out to humanity, make the humanity understand. Quite a long time we did not have next breakthrough, and it is not okay. Many structures, ideologies, political systems, philosophies we created, instead of supporting the superconscious breakthrough, they started harming. Like pharmaceutical companies generated to create medicine have started generating diseases. Religions, theologies created for the sake of peace started creating terrorists. It's time we give superconscious breakthrough to humanity. Let us have and give superconscious breakthrough to humanity. Living the state of Mahasadashiva, radiating the space of Mahasadashiva, manifesting the powers of Mahasadashiva is the way of giving superconscious breakthrough to yourself and others. With this message, I accept all the love offerings all over the world in many of the Adinams. Hundreds and hundreds of Nevedyams are offered. Biddi Nityananda Annalaya is offering 1008 Nevedyams. And today I am officially announcing the Mysore Bag and the Biddi Tatta Idli as the official prasadam of Nityananda Peetham. Whoever comes to the Adinam will be served both the prasadams fresh in our temple 24 hours. And Hyderabad Adinam is offering 124 Nevedyams, Los Angeles 122, Uttaralli Adinam 21, all the Adinams and lot more, a long list. Singapore Adinam, Malaysia Adinam, Ohio Adinam, Seattle Adinam, Tiruvannamalai Adinam, Trishulam Adinam, Puduvai Adinam, and Hosur Adinam. Blessings to all the temples, Adinams, San Jose Adinam, Toronto Adinam. Blessings to all the Adinams, all the temples, all the centers participating all over the world on this Jayanti day. Of course, a long list, so I bless all of you and accept all your love and devotion offerings. Blessings to all of you. Next, releases, Jayanti releases.
Thank you, Swamiji, for this wonderful blessings. Now, moving on to the releases. The Avatar Leela, the autobiography of the Avatar, is a 5-volume series on the life story of the Avatar, Paramahamsa Nityananda. This book is a glimpse of the first volume to have a taste of the greatest happening on planet Earth. This will be releasing, Swamiji will be releasing this book as an e-book.
So, formally, I am releasing this e-book, Glimpses of Avatar Leela, the autobiography of the Avatar, Volume 1. It is actually glimpses. The main book is coming. It will be 5 volumes. It will be literally tell-all book from Kailasa.
The next very important release for today is the nityanandatruth.org, a website. Hindus have experienced religious persecution since more than 5,000 years. Today, we are going to share the story of persecution of the rare living incarnation, His Holiness Bhagavan Paramahamsa Nityananda, a holocaust of persecution of Hinduism. Untold stories, shocking facts, heart-wrenching stories, everything Swamiji, His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda, his sannyasis and disciples had to go through to defend the ultimate truths of Hinduism and to make us all experience and radiate Sadashivatva. Freedom is not free. This website, www.nityanandatruth.org, explains all you ever wanted to know about religious persecution of Swamiji and Hinduism. This video is the essence of what all happened till now.
Avatar Leela is what I did to the world. This website is what world did to me. Read and understand what world did to me and how we have faced everything. Nityanandatruth.org. I request all the disciples, visitors, viewers, devotees who are curious about me, please read this website. Only then many of your questions will be answered. You will be able to answer others' questions. Empower yourself with the truth. Blessings.
Now again, we'll be witnessing a very beautiful, auspicious the prasadam from Tiruvannamalai, Swamiji's birthplace, is come from Tiruvannamalai, straight from there. So the priests from the temple are coming here to offer it to Swamiji, and Swamiji will be receiving it.
I was actually waiting how to conclude the satsang before the Arunachaleshwara Prasadam arrives. It has arrived. So, with this, I bless you all. So officially, I give my satsang message, my official message on 41st Avatar Dinotsava. Let's give superconscious breakthrough to ourselves and humanity. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Maha Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.